Hello, my name is Joe. Welcome back to my kitchen, and today we are gonna make cake mix from scratch. Here's what you need. You need iodized salt, baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder, flour, and sugar. You need 2 cups of sugar. That's 1/3 of a cup of flour. That's 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Then we add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then you mix it up all together. This is what it should look like when it's fully mixed. At this point, you have 2 options. You can either use it immediately, or if you wish, you could save it for future use. In this case, I will use this for future use. So I will store this in a plastic bag and I will use it at another date. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves and keep on cooking.